Hello everyone, the first feature I'm going to run you through today is the cache site generator. Now this is a feature that will allow you to make a website very easily with your affiliate links already embedded into the website, and you basically don't have to do any work. So what we're going to do is just minimize this auto profit panel software for a second, and we need to create a folder on our desktop. To do this, we right click on the desktop and go to new folder, and then it will tell you to name it. So let's call ours dog training, because that's what website I'm going to make. And then we'll expand the auto profit panel software again and click on the cache site generator. Now you will see two buttons, a new website and load website. Pretty self-explanatory. The load website is to load a website you've previously made with this software, or as we're going to use today, new website. So let's click that button. Now it will come up with project name, project folder, headline, and then you've got a number of templates to use. So the project name, let's call it dog training, and next thing we have to do is go onto the project folder and select the dog training folder we have just made on our desktop. Click that, and then we've got to pick a headline for our website. So I'm going to call this one dog training, let's put it in capitals actually, dog training 101, and pick a template. It doesn't really matter for this, I'll pick the stars one and click save. Next page comes up, we add a keyword, so I'm going to call this, I'm going to put dog training in there, because obviously our website's about dog training. And now we've got to pick the number of pages to create, so let's pick 7 pages. The next item is your AdSense ID and Amazon ID. Now if you haven't used AdSense before, basically what it is Google paying you to put an advert on your website which is relevant to the website, and when people click on that advert, Google pay you money for each click. So you're not selling anything, all you're doing is having people click on your advert. The Amazon ID is slightly different. You sign up at Amazon Associates and they give you an ID and display adverts on your site, relevant adverts again, but this time the person has to buy the product. When they buy the product, you are given a percentage from Amazon. Both of these work very well and do bring in a lot of money. So let's just, for this demonstration, I'm just going to put some random numbers and letters into there, because we're not using real ones for this demonstration, but you would put your real AdSense ID and your real Amazon ID in there. Next we're going to pick the top horizontal block, which we'll use as AdSense, and the menu vertical block we'll use as Amazon. And we also have a add relevant video to each page. You can tick this or you can untick it. We're going to leave it ticked for this demonstration because I think it looks nice having a relevant video and breaks the page up nicely. Next thing we're going to do is click create. Now it takes a couple of minutes, or well, a few seconds at least, and it's doing its thing. What it's doing is downloading articles, videos, embedding them into a website and creating you a whole website with your Amazon ID and AdSense ID all embedded into the website. It's all done for you. It's just one click basically after you filled in the information. So a couple more seconds and it should be done. What will happen is it will bring up the pages in this section behind the software, and as you can see it's just popped up. We've got an index page, a dog theory based techniques, positive and traditional dog training, super dog training, effective dog training for obedience, dog training, 7 reasons why you should do it yourself, better dog training, basic dog training, commands, tips. As you can see, very relevant to our site. And what I've just done is selected the index page. That will bring up a preview on this right hand panel in a couple of seconds. There we go, just popped up, Dog Training 101, and if we scroll down, we've got a nice embedded video into the page. We've got an article about dog training, and then if we scroll over to the right, we have got the menu of our other pages. Now, we've also got a number of other things that you can do with this software. You can add a page manually if you want to add your own article on page. You can edit a page, so let's go ahead and select the index page and click edit. As you can see, another window pops up and we've got the title, which can be edited, keywords, description, and then we've got the actual body of the web page, which you can also enter. So you can download, scroll down and edit any part you want. For instance, let's say we wanted to put a link in here. We'll just link in here. Now this could be a ClickBank link to a dog training product, and we would select that and then we would click link, and your ClickBank link would go in here. So for instance, let's put google.com, and as you can see, that part has now changed into a clickable link which will show up on your website. So basically we'll just click save and that's it, saved. So very easy to make a website, and this is probably the first thing that you want to do when you've got this software, which is why I've made it the first video. The next thing you need to do is, if you already have hosting, that's great. If not, I'll go over to GoDaddy and get their $9 a month hosting. I'll put a link below this video in case you want to do that. But we're going to assume you've already got some hosting. So you click publish. Now I'm just going to pause the video for a second while I fill in this information, and I'll get back to you and explain it in 1 second. Okay, so I've just filled in this information, and this is the information you'll get from your web host. You want the FTP host, which is your IP address, the username and password which you have been given by your host, and the default location. Now it's normally /public_HTML and then / your site name. So I'm going to put ours in autoprofitpanel.com, and I've made a new directory at the end called new. So I'll put / new, and then don't forget to put the / at the end as well, otherwise it might fail uploading. And then we're just going to click the upload button. As you can see, it's all uploading. And that's it, done. So if I pull up the Internet Explorer and put autoprofitpanel.com / new, you'll see our website, and this has all been created basically with a couple of clicks. As you can see, this is the AdSense advert at the top, so if anyone clicks on this advert, you will get paid. They can like it through Facebook, which will get you, if people do that, that will bring more traffic to this site. You've got your embedded video here, and you've got your article around it here. And remember when we edited the actual link, that is the link here. So if we click on that, it should take us to Google, which it does. But really, you would put your ClickBank link here, and you could put that throughout this advert, throughout this article, sorry. So anyone reading this article is more than likely going to click this link and may possibly buy your the dog training ebook through ClickBank, and you will get a commission for that. So as you can see, quite a nice article, and if we scroll down, you can see the Amazon adverts at the side. Now these take, both the Amazon and AdSense take a while to update while they scan your site. So eventually you should have dog training books here and dog training adverts from AdSense. This is the menu, which obviously we created 7 pages. So if we click on, say, Super Dog Training, that takes us to another embedded video, another article, and your AdSense and Amazon are there yet again. Another one, Better Dog Training, you've got another video, you've got some dog training principles, and you've got the AdSense and Amazon there again. So really this is a very easy and good way to make a nice affiliate site with a couple of clicks and very, very easily to send your traffic to from Auto Profit Panel. So I'm going to go through the actual traffic generation methods in the next videos, but I hope you like this video and you can start setting up your website straight away.